Arithmetic operations in Python. Addition. Add equal to 1 plus 2. Here, add is a variable which storing the result of 1 plus 2. Equal to is an assignment operator. 1 is an operand or value. Plus is an arithmetic operator. 2 is an operand or value. Print add. See, the output is 3. Subtraction. Sub equal to 2 minus 1. Here, sub is a variable which storing the result of 2 minus 1. Equal to is an assignment operator. 2 is an operand or value. Minus is an arithmetic operator. 1 is an operand or value. Print sub. See, the output is 1. Multiplication. Mul equal to 2 into 3. Here, mul is a variable which storing the result of 2 into 3. Equal to is an assignment operator. 2 is an operand or value. Star is an arithmetic operator. 3 is an operand or value. Print mul. See, the output is 6.